we go!
Where are we going?
Just run!
Whoa, watch out. I wouldn't run through the door. Hey, they're going through the other building. One next over. Will. Good shit, you little bastard. Bang, bang, bang. Hey, ow, that hurt.
Are you dead?
Hey, hey.
Did I really not need you?
Hey, I'm hit.
That hurts like this.
Are they coming through over there?
Yeah.
Like, they're almost inside?
No, they're shooting inside, checking us out, but as soon as I get us out, they'll see us home.
Alright. So, Will, are they on the other end?
Wait, what team are you on? Vans or no?
Me?
There's another bang on.
Hey, Rev, can we shoot through here?
Yeah, you can.
Alright, cool.
Hey, watch this doorway. Make sure nobody gets this.
Noah's gonna come back at us, you know he will.
Yeah. That's fine, guys. Hey,
Oh, damn, dude.
What?
EOTech down.
Damn.
It's brand new.
Yikes. Dang.
I think it was when he stuck his gun out and blind fired at us.
Yeah. One kid just blind fired the crap out of us over here. Who's all?
It was
Where's he
a
at?
Arrow R1 guy.
I don't know what that is.
The desert cat. He's like decked out.
It wasn't Riley.
Yeah, it was, because it was his gun. He's got the helmet. He's got the desert camouflage, you know, that kind.
Okay. Do you know who Riley is?
I do.
I don't think it was him.
It was his gun, dude.
Well,
I saw a suppressor come around the son of a.
Right here.
His last position was right here. But over there, he's right behind that building.
I'll give it a shot. By the way, regarding that safe, I think there's extra lenses you can buy to put them in there.
Ah, that's cool.
It might have been him.
I was gonna buy a Lexan thing to put in front of it, but I just got the gun today, so I was gonna
Now you
try
know
it.
why they make them.
Yeah. What's that was? Where's he at?
There's the guy right on the corner.
Yeah. And there's one guy outside the window. Keeps popping in.
Yeah, I'm going around.
Yeah, me too. Son of a bitch, dude. This is a brand new. Hey, ban! Oh. Dang, Bal, what's you up?
Hey, are you alive? Hey, be friendly.
About,
Hey, Brooks, come on.
dude, that one dude shot me in the tip of the dick.
I shot him in the V's right now.
Yeah, I think it was that Raleigh dude. I'm not too upset, but it's just like kind of bullshit that he. One fire.
You put your gun there.
This corner?
Outside, right on the corner. Here, I got your right. If you look straight. Cover me, I'm gonna run it in the alley. Let it go.
Hey, no bonfire! My bad. Hurry on back now, Will. Hey, friendly, friendly, friendly. Watch back there, make sure.
Dad, you're dead.
Oh, dang it. I thought you were friendly. I was like, you shot at me?
Yeah.
Well, he shot at me. I was like, hey, dude, friendly. And I was like, I don't know. I couldn't tell. I couldn't hardly tell at all. Good shot. I mean, knife kill.
What's that? Josh is in the alleyway, and I'm in the train taking fight. Ben's getting that car.
Where was he at over there? Will, watch to your left, watch to your left, Will. Bang! Oh, hey, trade off.
Say again?
Straight off. I'll go back if.
Yeah. Hey.
He got a trade off, dude.
Oh.
He scared the shit out of me. He's like, oh god. I got you, Will. SWAT. Yeah.
That's bad. Okay.
By the way, we got less than 5 minutes.
Did you ever find that dude with the... Oh, you didn't? I was pointing him out to you in the lobby.
Alright.
I'm not too upset about it. It's just, you know,
You seem to be.
if it didn't blind fire, then it wouldn't have happened.
Debatable.
Well, I mean, eventually it probably would have happened, but that just sped up the process, I guess.
It's just, the only thing I can tell you is don't bring anything out in an airsoft game you're not willing to lose.
Sure.
Oh, come on. You're not gonna call that up.
Hey, I got you too, so.
Actually, I don't even know. I heard bang and then went over.
Ah, back hit.